Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aries, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, guys. If you like this reading, if it resonates, Aries, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card love reading right after this general guidance. So that may clear your doubts or answer your questions. So you can stay tuned for that, guys. So let's see what are these cards. We have Lovers in reverse, Page of Pentacles, and Tower in reverse. So in your situation, guys, Aries, it may be in your work situation or it may be in your relationship. So you are in a circumstance, maybe you are responsible, devoted, you are doing things possible, whatever is possible for you in the right way to that maximum extent. You are trying hard, trying to do things the right way today, guys. But for some reason, things are not phasing out just like you expected. So maybe some delays, suspensions in your work situation or in your relationship, there may be some problems. Maybe however hard you try to make this person understand, that beautiful understanding or a deep compatibility may be a problem in this relationship. So some kind of lack of clarity or understanding is there in this connection, in this love, and you are trying your best, but things are all you see is failure or some kind of delay in your work and even in your relationship. Some difficult situation, guys, maybe some arguments or fights with this person, and you're trying hard to resolve this situation, trying to avoid certain things, maybe these arguments or these stressful situations. But however hard you are trying, your circumstances are quite difficult, guys, and it is really painful for you because your efforts are not helping you in any way. So whatever you do, things are happening in the way it is supposed to be happening. So inevitable difficult situation is what I see, guys. But I also see in your situation that you are getting some important news, guys. It may be for your work or it may be in this relationship. Maybe a news concerning your relationship. Maybe this person may understand you, or they are sending you a message or an email or a letter, something accepting the things between you both and moving towards a better understanding. So it is a positive news. So, or it may be in your career, some positive news is reaching you, guys. Maybe regarding some projects or assignments, things are going to resolve and you are happy for it, Aries. So that is what I see with these cards, Aries. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Aries. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with the first card. We will see what it is. So, for those who chose this card, the first card, a change in the wind. So, that is the card for y'all, guys. So, in your circumstances, you are preparing yourself for some kind of a situation. You feel deep down in your heart of heart something is coming up, some kind of a feeling or a premonition, maybe for some of you, and you are resisting it. You don't want to face that difficult situation, so you are resisting that change or resisting that emotion that is threatening you in this relationship. Or maybe this person you are in relationship with, they have a change of heart, something has changed and they are moving away from you, for some of you guys. Or for some of you, there is some kind of sense, overwhelming emotion today. You feel something may go wrong in this relationship and you see the signs for it. So maybe you are having some arguments or some stressful situation in this relationship. But you need not worry, guys, because this is going to happen. Maybe the rough sea or rough situation offers you some kind of opportunities for mutual growth. Maybe you are growing from it. You will learn the valuable lessons you need to learn because you are facing these difficult circumstances today, and you will understand yourself and you will understand this other person in a better way, and you can be happy for that. You can be happy for for that lesson you are learning today, maybe if you are already in some difficult circumstance. So you need to just stay away from this from these emotions. Maybe take a break from this relationship, or take a break from reacting to the other person, reacting to this relationship, and this will clear things. And you need to understand that even this situation will change, this too will change for sure. So nothing is permanent in our life, guys, even our troubles. So it is going to change very soon, guys. So that is the reading with this card for those who chose this card. So let's see what is the other card. So for those who chose this card, it is an angel card, guys. So whenever we get an angel card, it just means that angels are here guiding us, and this angel card stands for love, peace, and tolerance. So this angel guides us, helps us to have that true love in our lives, unconditional love, love for ourselves and love for others. And in order to have that love, we need to see the beauty of that other person, beauty of their soul, see the beauty at the heart level. So when you are struggling with relationships, finding it difficult to adjust, or finding it really difficult to find that love and compatibility in any relationship, this angel helps us to repair that wounded or broken relationships. And the guidance is for us to be non-judgmental with the people who are there in our life, find that common ground, have that mutual love, respect, caring, compassion for each and every one of our personal journeys. So we respect, just like we respect what we love to do or what is our life's purpose, same way we respect that other person. So when we do that, it brings that tolerance and peace in our relationship, harmony. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So you should be able to, if you want this love, if you want this relationship, you should be able to find a way to connect deeply with the other person through love, tolerance, and peace. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.